in. The doors of hell are wide open.
Shh.
Come in, Ratna Devi. Into the house of Sri Amritlal Parekh. The state of the house is not here. He is away receiving medal for serving the nation. While the Lakshmi of the house is here taking medal for her talent.
Shut up, Jay. You'll wake Shankar.
Shankar. I forgot about him. We mustn't disturb him. Go, Ratna, go. You know what? When our son will grow up, I'm going to teach him how to dance. The dance of a man, the dance of Shiva. And when he's ready, I'll make him dance on his grandfather's head. You know what? I'll be teaching him the Tandava Nritya. Lot of dance, beating his drum, trampling on the demon. But how is the little Shankar?
He's fast asleep. He didn't make a sound.
Good. Very good. Into the dreamland.
And where is that new Aya? Probably fast asleep on the kitchen floor. She should have been near him in case he gets hungry.
You should have been near him.
I should have asked you to stay back. At least you would have been of some use here.
You don't think I was useful there? I could have the louder for you, Ratna.
Stop it. I'm going to bed. You can sleep here.
Is that why you like to dance? To have men admire your assets?
Why do you dance?
Oh, but I'm not good enough.
How can you be when you're drunk half the time?
Oh, I thought I drank because I wasn't good enough. Wait, I want to talk.
You want to talk? Talk about what? Talk about how you insult me in front of all other people? How you make me feel ashamed of you? How disgusting are you? For God's sake, Gerard, do something. Anything useful before it's too late.
Do anything except dancing. Like choreographing the steps for you or playing the flute.
You're not even good at that anymore.
Whose fault is that?
You're troubling yourself in such a later and ask me whose fault is that?
Whose fault is it that only you get invitations to dance? Bit by bit, you took my self-esteem. You took my self-esteem when you made me dance like my weakest item. You took my self-esteem when you arranged the lighting so I could dance in your shadows. You also took all those names which I am even ashamed of taking in private. You call me disgusting. You call me disgusting. You're so clever, Ratna, so clever. No wonder you get so well along with him.
Get well along with whom?
My father! Wasn't it him? Why are you silent? It was him.
So this is where I get killed.
You should have been here by now.
They are not in. You said it was all arranged. Wait a minute. They said 7 o'clock.
I know, but they have to go out, some emergency.
Emergency. Only doctors and firemen go out on emergencies. Dancers stay at home till it's show time. They also stay at home when they've invited their future son-in-law to their house.
Don't be so sure. Actually, they couldn't care less of who or what you are, as long as you let me dance.
And what if I whisk you away to Dubai and sell you to a sheikh?
Well, please tell still we can't see his hair. No, seriously, they're not worried.
What kind of parents are they?
I told you they're different. Most of the furniture in this house is my grandfather's. My father refused to part with anything. He always had a deep respect for it. That's why he will never sell this house.
Your grandfather? I thought he was dead.
He is now. He wasn't before.
You haven't told me much about him.
He died when I was still a baby. But I know all about him. He was a social reformer. He used to hold secret meetings in this very room during the British Raj. Come on, I'll show you where we practice.
Oh wow! I have never seen a house like this before.
Most of these instruments are almost 40 years old. I wear the same bells as my father wore for his debut. I get goosebumps every time I touch them. This room has something special in it. Do you feel it?
What? The goosebumps?
No, the atmosphere, the vibrations.
Yes, that too.
This floor has felt a million aromas over and over again. Feel that?
Yeah, I hear it too.
When I was a little kid, I used to stand in the door and watch mommy and daddy practice. It was just so magical for me. I knew then what I wanted to do. Vishwas, just tell me one thing. When we are married, will you please let me come here to practice? Please.
Of course, Lata.
Thank you.
Well, don't thank me. I don't think our floor can withstand a million arrows.
What are you doing? You're a clown. I don't know what my parents will think of you.
They have to meet me first.
You should be here anyway.
Oh wow, Look at that.
Isn't it splendid?
I'm going to ask for this as dowry.
No, he won't give it to you.
Why not?
The same reason why we won't sell this house. It belonged to my grandfather.
I think I should be lucky to part with you.
Stupid. Meeting in there. I'm going to make coffee for us.
What a granddaddy she had. He must have been a terror. No wonder her father is a weirdo. Huh. So you want to be a dancer? Son, you will never amount to anything in life. What's that you say? There is more to life than money. You ungrateful wretch! Where will you go being a dancer? Nowhere. What will you get being a dancer? Nothing. People will point at you on the streets and laugh and ask, who is he? He's a dancer. Yes, but what does he do? He's a dancer. Yes, but what does he do? He's a dancer. Sir. I got bored waiting. I love dancing, not disco or anything like that. You know, our dances, there is so much more to them, sir. You know what I mean, right?
Please, put the shawl back.
Oh, yes, of course.
Not a... Just give it to me.
This is terrible. What are we going to do?
It's no use worrying.
All my life, I've never seen such a crisis.
Not a crisis.
Crisis, problem, whatever.
You've had problems before.
Never one like this. What will we do?
Think of something, Ratna.
I haven't made a very good first impression, but I would be very comfortable if you guys don't think of me as a problem or a crisis.
What are you talking about?
Could have seen this in
होता है I didn't see you come. Then after friend conversation. We aren't thinking of him.
Because you're in the middle of a problem or a crisis, as your mother calls it.
Srinivas broke his arm. Who will play the mridangam for your performance? You would have minded if that Muthaiya had broken his neck. This is a crisis.
C.V. Srinivas, Amridangist.
This or a finalist we could have done without. But this.
He tripped on his dhoti. Where are you going?
Get an aspirin for my headache.
You're always taking Aspro. Those tablets are going to kill you one day.
I have to take them. I can't take this tension.
What tension? There's plenty of time. You're worrying about nothing.
Nothing. Our daughter is going to have a performance that is going to make her career. And you say I'm worrying about nothing. How do you expect her to give her best? How do you even expect her to dance?
Ratna,
All my
Please.
life, I've seen problems. Problems that you are aware of. Conveniently forget.
don't. Let's start again, please.
Do not go through all of that. See my daughter's career finish overnight.
It's not.
Finish! Just like me. Father was right. Dance has brought us nowhere.
Don't go there.
It's his curse on us. He was right. This is all so worthless. It seems worth it anymore. He was right. Never, never anything great. Never will be. Nor will our daughter ever be anything more than an average human being.
Lata is not average.
She can't dance. What can she be?
Listen, there were times when we didn't dance.
Look at where we are.
We are fine. At least I am.
You? You are lucky. A spineless boy couldn't leave his father's house for
Warning
only
you.
48 hours.
40 years. 40 years you've held that against me.
Stop being a man to me when you came back to this house. Well, right. This is about nothing. Nothing is what we are.
Will finding a musician make me a man? Huh?
Father, can I have the money now?
Yes, you can have the money.
4 rupees.
You can pay them the money. And ask them to never come back to this house again.
You can't do that.
I'm sorry, son.
You can't do this.
Your guru. Why does he wear his hair so long?
Why do you ask?
I've never seen a man with long hairs.
What do you have to do with it?
All I'm saying is that normal men don't keep their hair so long.
Are you saying that he's a... Are you saying that he's a...
I
he's
have
a...
also noticed the way he walks.
You know, this is disgusting. You are insane.
I'm sorry, son.
You promised me.
Years ago,
Years ago, you promised me that I could continue with what I like. I could dance.
that was when you were just a boy. Grow up, Gerard, grow up.
I don't want to grow up. I want to continue with what I like.
As long as you are under my care.
As long as we are under your care.
What happened between you? He looked upset.
Nothing happened. We were just talking. I mentioned something about long hairs and
Oh, long hairs.
what's so funny?
So I told you
What?
that he's planning to grow his hair long.
I see. Was that his idea or maybe yours?
Actually, it was Guruji's suggestion.
Tell him that. Tell him that if he grows his hair even an inch longer, I will shave his head and throw him on the roads.
Come on, Ratna, we are leaving.
Where, Jay?
We'll figure it out. There's no time to discuss that.
Jay, but you haven't taken everything.
See, we don't need anything fancy. But from now, we are no longer living under his care. Come on, Ratna.
Jay, wait! Jay!
How are you feeling?
You drinking again?
Maybe. Sit down, Ratna Devi. Sit down. Can I offer you a drink?
Please say I'm in no mood for jokes.
Jay? You called me Jay? I haven't called me Jay in God knows how long. This calls for a celebration.
Always use the glass.
You should drink together more often. At least we'll be more honest with each other.
When was I ever dishonest with you?
Can we at least talk?
Yes. Decided that we should ask Sheshadri to play the rhythm book for Lata's performance.
Good thing.
Settle then. Call her in the morning.
You think you would have been happier if I didn't come back?
Talking about
What did you want me to do? Carry on staying at your uncle's?
don't
Stay with him after what he said?
don't say.
Stay with him
Will you
after he asked
will
you?
you please?
After he asked you to go to bed with him? Would I have been a man then? Being my wife, your own uncle, because he's offering us food and shelter. You think he made such distinct proposals to all his nieces? No, no, no. You were special, Ratna. What was wrong in coming back to my father's house? Tell me, Ratna. Sorry. You mustn't take notice of what I say when I'm drunk.
Please forgive me. I did not mean anything I said. I was upset.
If that's what you thought about me, all along I must congratulate you. Must award you, Ratna. Must award you for hiding it so well. Don't feel bad about it. It was bound to spring up sometime. Only human.
I'm human and so are you. So what, you couldn't support your family on your own? You were interested in higher things. Something more than just working for money alone. Since your father had this house and supporters, there was nothing wrong in coming back.
We left him. We accepted defeat, Ratna.
It was an impulsive decision. What to blame?
Oh, thank you. Thank you for not blaming me alone. Very kind of you. Maybe it's not kind. Maybe it's something else. Forgive. You forgive me, I'll forgive you, and we'll all forgive what you did to Shankar.
Don't mention that name to me.
I won't. Won't mention Shankar ever again.
You promised. We wish that
What? Everything could go back to normal.
no. No. All seems so petty now.
Not worth the sacrifices.
Just great of a price to pay, Jay.
Yet you wish the same life for your daughter.
Times have changed now. Things will be easier for her in some ways. Of course, she's talented and can become famous and
Good. You sound normal again. What do you think of that boy, Vishwas? One Lata brought home tonight.
it's alright. Why?
Nothing, I've just agreed to them getting married.
He's going to let her dance, right?
That's all you care about. Yes.
Alright. We will allow it. Realize, of course, that you have come back here more out of a necessity than any real intention of patching up what you have undone. Don't mind. I don't gain much pleasure by reminding you that you had vowed to never come back to this house again. I don't mind. What I do mind is your silence. It carries too much hate for me. What kind of parent would want that from the children? So, I have changed my mind. I will allow you to dance. I'm happy if you earn your livelihood from it. If you ask me for money, I shall not refuse it. I will be disappointed. Here, Guruji, I come here twice a week in the mornings. I hope I have made myself clear. Have I made myself clear?
Very clear.
Jairaj, don't grow your hair any more longer. You did not learn from anyone else.
You are very kind.
What I want to see is both of you happy.
We are.
Are you? Krishna, do you know where a man's happiness lies?
No.
In being a man.
That sounds profound. What does it mean?
Does Jairaj know where his happiness lies?
He does. But I don't think it fits in with your idea of where it should be.
Yes, I am aware of that. That I am very disappointed.
But I'm sorry that you're disappointed. There's nothing much I can do about it.
You can. You can do a lot. I've seen the world. I recognize a clever woman when I see one. What do you think? How do you feel when you see your husband be dressed up and made up like all that?
You seem to forget. I married him because he's a dancer.
That's what he thinks. I am a little hard to convince.
It's the truth.
Is it?
Yes,
Did you marry him because he would let you dance?
that too.
More of that than the first.
Well, yes.
So now you realize that the decision to let you dance is in my hands, not his.
You've made that very clear.
Don't worry. I won't stop you from dancing.
And Jay, you do want to prevent him from dancing in spite of what you said, won't
A
you?
woman in a man's world may be considered as being progressive. But a man in a woman's world is pathetic.
Maybe we aren't progressive enough.
That isn't being progressive, that is sick. It's up to you now.
What?
Help me. Help me make him a man.
How?
Leave it to you. Help me and I won't stop you from dancing.
I will try.
You'll have to do better than that.
All right. And once he stops dancing, what will you do to him then?
Make him worthy of you.
Where are you going?
Paste these reviews in our album.
Our album?
Yes.
Why would you paste Lata's reviews in our album?
Why not? There's plenty of space there.
On she deserves an album of her own.
Her own. She deserves an album of her own. She's my child. I created her. She's my piece of art.
She's not your property, Ratna. She's a person of her own. Those reviews just don't belong in there.
Don't belong there. These exist because of me. If I hadn't spoken with those critics, then
Those critics gave her good reviews because she deserved them. Not because of anything you did.
I made her capable of deserving them.
Ratna, give them. I'm not going to watch you paste things in our album. You can stop pretending they're yours, Ratna.
They are mine.
Ratna, you still have a daughter to be jealous of.
Are you implying that it is my fault that we don't have a son?
How brilliant you are, Ratna. Look at her. Look at her. Quite a looker. Quite a dancer. Quite an actress. One is to hand it to you. Not to mention your brains. You destroy me first, then give an impression that there was nothing on the first place to destroy. And what? You blame it all on my father. Thank you, Ratna Devi. It has been an illuminating night. Good night.
You think you're covered, huh? What do you want? Ask yourself, what do you want? Do you want freedom? You had it and we came back to prison. Do you want to dance? Then why did you accept those invitations? and you will get an answer. Yes. Yes, I did cut you off. But then you also deserved it. Don't come to me, sir. I destroyed you. I didn't have to. You did it all by yourself. Don't expect me to feel sorry for you. Because I'm too busy feeling sorry for myself and Shankar. When you will be a little older, you will feel the need for a father. It will be around. Where will you go? But all he will see is your exterior. It wouldn't take him long to realize that there's no one home.
If you take a trouble to knock, you'll find someone home. Where are you? Where are you, Ratna? In that loud costume? No matter how clever an actress you are, you can't ever convince me that you have played the part of a mother very well. You wouldn't even know where to start from.
You can start by ending this sick talk with you and feeding the baby.
Feeding the baby? Go. That won't be necessary.
What do you mean? Usually wakes up at this hour.
Not on the nights perform.
How do you know?
Yeah.
Go on.
You wouldn't know. An old tradition handed down from the generations of the Ayahs. I know. I was raised by one.
PM.
Effective, isn't it? They just gave the right amount.
Shitu.
She too needs a restful sleep on the kitchen floor, like her mother and her mother's mother.
She.
She? What did you say? She? She too has given Shankar?